Guys, we're now behind the gala prep. So we finalized the guest list. You Bea, oversee the logistics.
Ate Kai, parang ilang araw pa na hindi kumakain. Wait pa ba?
Okay lang ako. Guys, let's focus. So, thank you all everyone for coming here tonight. So, well, I guess that's it for tonight.
Kailangan na itong itigil. Alam mong may epilepsy ka. Bakit ka nagpapabaya?
Hi, stress and exhaustion may trigger your seizure, but there's more. Your test show dangerously low magnesium levels. It's a common factor in epilepsy, but there's something else.
Ma, ano bang problema? May hindi ka ba sinasabi sa akin?
Anak, ang epilepsy mo ay hindi galing sa stress lang. It might run into our family. And nakita ko na to dati sa lola mo. And it will show her.
Ma, bakit hindi mo sinabi?
Mrs. Marita, kailangan mong seryosoy ng kalagayan mo. Nakita sa test na nagda-stroke ka na.
Stroke? Pero kaya ko pa naman magtrabaho. Hindi ako pwedeng huminto, Dok. May pamilya akong binubuhay.
Alam kong mahirap ang sitwasyon, pero kung hindi ka magpapahinga, magkakaroon ka pa ng mas malalang komplikasyon. Ang sobrang stress, hindi pagkain at pag-inom ng alak, lahat ng ito ay nagpapalala. Mrs. Marita, ang katawan mo ay hindi makina. Kung hindi mo ito aalagaan, itong masisira. Magpahinga ka, kumain ng maayos.
Hindi pwede, Dok. Walang ibang gagawa ng trabaho ko.
Ma, ano sinabi ng doktor?
Walang kwenta? Sinabihan ako na huminto na lang daw ako sa pagtatrabaho. Sino magpapakain sa'yo?
Ma, baka tama si doktor. Lagi kang pagod. Wala ka palaging kain.
Tama na, Gina! Hindi ako mahina!
Anak, ang lala mo before ignores all the symptoms and worries. Wala siyang hukay sa pagtatrabaho. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, iinom. At pagkatapos nun, mapapaligtas ng gutom. She had a stroke at yun ang nagpapahina sa kanya. Eventually, epilepsy triggers her. After years, dun nag-ano ang seizure niya. Until it will choke her. Yes.
sasabihin natin sa kanya na sumuko na tayo? Na hindi natin kinaya ayusin? Maghiwalay na tayo. Naku, Ina! Tulong! Rigor! Ano nangyari? Ina! Ano ba, Rigor? Tumawag ka na ng ambulansya! Dalhin na natin siya sa ospital!
Ma, nasaan ako, Ma? Nasa ospital ka, Ina. You collapsed. Do you remember?
Ma, hindi ko matandaan. Nasa bahay ako. Tapos, nagugutom ba ako? Akala ko okay lang ako. Akala ko kaya ko.
Pero hindi mo naman kasalanan, Ina. Alam kong malakas ka. Pero tao ka lang. Ang epilepsy mo, ang lola at mama mo, meron din ito noon. Ayaw mong maniwala, pero totoo ito.
Meron pala kayo ni Lola noon. Bakit hindi mo sinabi?
Your Lola and I had the same condition, but she never took care of herself. She ignored the signs, just like you. I didn't want you to follow in her footsteps. Ayoko magkasakit ka, Ina. But here we are.
Bakit hindi pa sinabi na maaga?
Because I didn't want you to worry. Ayoko mag-alala ka. You were already under so much pressure. Your schoolwork, leading the student council, and managing everything. But now, you have to face it, Ina. This isn't just about stress. It's in your blood. Our blood.
Sure. Good morning, Miss Ina. So, we've run some tests, and according to the result, your seizure was triggered by the combination of stress and nutritional deficiencies. And we also found some concerning patterns in your brain activity. But I need to tell you something. Co-pattern sa seizure as per Ma'am Reyes said, na maaaring iba yung mamana. We suspect that your condition has worsened due to stress and nutritional deficiencies. So, we need to make some adjustment to your treatment.
So, anong gagawin ko?
So, we'll start on your medication, but we also need to make changes in your daily routine. Your diet, yung tulog mo, tapos yung stress management, dapat you need to bed rest. Your body is warning you enough. So, if you don't listen, it could get worse. Naka muna. We'll talk more about your treatment tomorrow. Okay? Okay po, Doc.
Are you or someone you know living with epilepsy? Introducing Keto Care, your guide to healthier living from a science-backed, seizures-friendly diet. With Keto Care, discover how ketogenic lifestyle can help and support brain health and reduce seizures frequency. Keto Care is here to empower you every step of the way. Fuel your brain, manage epilepsy, and embrace a better quality of life with Keto Care. Ang pangit mo.